How to see locked WhatsApp chat. In this video, guys, I'm going to be walking you through on how you can see the locked WhatsApp chat. So let's just go ahead and open your WhatsApp. I want you to open your WhatsApp. When you open your WhatsApp, guys, as you can see, it's not really showing here, so you just have to, if you can't see it, when you open your WhatsApp, guys, as you can see, it's not really showing it like that. But just look just above your chat screen. When you look above your chat screen, I want you to scroll down a bit. So scroll it down a bit. When you scroll down a bit, you're going to be seeing where it says lock chat, guys, just above your screen. If you can't find it, just go ahead and scroll down. Scroll it, push it down. It's going to show. As you can see, by default, it's not going to show. But if you scroll down, you're going to see where it says lock chat. So go ahead and click on that. When you click on that, as you can see, guys, my lock chat is here. So I can go ahead and open a reply. Messages I want to reply. So you need to know, to access this your lock chat, you need to use your Face ID, your thumbprint, or your password to access this lock chat. So depending if you're using Android or iOS, this is going to work for you. So guys, you need to know how to unlock it before you can access it, guys. So if you click it, as you can see, it's asking me for my Face ID. So if I shift away, as you can see, guys, without my Face ID, I cannot access my lock chat. So I hope this video is helpful. If this video is helpful, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to support the channel. See you on the next one.